Hello everyone. So for today I was figuring maybe some of you are like me and get random things from some people, and I thought, okay, let's work on some of these. They're kind of like things for wedding invitations, like envelopes for wedding invitations, but I thought, wouldn't that be great to just stick in a journal? So we'll see. Again, I'm just going to fiddle around with them a little bit and that type of thing and see what we come up with. And then I have like the papers that go inside it and everything. So, first thing, I'm going to quickly distress around these papers. Make them look a little bit more vintagey, even though they have that brown. But they are like watercolor look, like paper kind of feel to them. So I don't know what to think, but we'll do that. And then I'll grab one of these papers, and again, I'm just going to fiddle around. I'm not necessarily know what I'm doing here, but I'm just gonna maybe fiddle with some pieces, decide on something maybe here that looks a little vintagey to stick right in here. Yeah, like this. Ooh, that looks gorgeous. Okay. I'm going to use my art glitter glue for this. It's already kind of bubbly as it is, so I'm not too worried about it getting any more like that. Yeah, something like this. Something that you can make flatten and everything like that. Ooh, love it. Okay. Now I want something for this bottom half. Let's see here. Yeah, kind of like that glue book idea, basically. Just trying to think a little bit here. And what would be a bit pretty. Like, I kind of like that idea a little bit better for this spot. My kids are fighting again, it sounds like. That seems to be daily. My dad had to come over because he seems to be number one when it comes down to Rosie's list of people she'll listen to on a regular basis. So, there we go. That gives it a little bit added texture to it. You don't want to add too much, but enough. Let me write something in there. And that's where I'm going to just pull something from this. Like a Project Life card or something. Ooh. How about these 3 things? Here. These are some Tim Holtz from his wallpaper series. But that would work perfectly, and again, then they can pull it out and write on the back of them or whatever. So choose to do. Alright, something here. I wonder what's in my snippets. That might be kind of interesting in them spots. There. Ooh. Slip that here. This there. Add some interest. Either way, I liked it. And again, I'm just going to glue it here, around everywhere. And I suppose I could have added more to it, but I'm not going to. I feel like it's enough, just the way it is. And the idea of this is for me to use these things instead of keeping them, because I have a habit of just keeping them. So there we go. And then this part is going to be glued in. And I am using my art glitter glue because I want it to glue down fast. I don't want it to dry quickly. Or I want it to dry quickly, I should say. Not want it to dry quickly. I want it to dry quickly. Alright. I'm going to squash it down. So there we go. That factor. Alright. Now I was thinking maybe get this even more writing space like this. But that would mean more tacky glue. Gunk on it. Alright. I'm like shaky, which I'm normally not a shaky person, so I don't know. It happens, I guess. I like the factor that it has crinkles in it and everything else. It's just coffee dyed paper, but it gives us that added look here. And again, it just adds more areas where we can eventually here have to write on. So just gonna put that in, and I'm okay. Go potty. And these scrap coffee dyed papers will end up in my masterboard scrap thing, basically, is my plan with them. So there. Yeah, that I think is going to look amazing when I'm done. Sorry if I'm out of frame. So now when we open it up, we have writing space here, writing space here, writing space here. Ooh, and some pretties. I should add another pretty right here. Let's see here. What else do I have? That would be really pretty that I just never really use too much of. Ooh, let's add this. Just a little something here along this part. Let's stick it in. There we go. All right. Yes, there we go. And that was just a little something I had. That's sometimes how it goes. I just want to see. Ooh, let's add maybe something like that. So, no. Nope. It don't work with that. I don't like that. Alright. I guess that's how it's gonna go. And then this top half, I was tempted to add like something else here, but I don't know. I think I'm just gonna leave this blank. If somebody wants to add more writing space there, they can, and that type of thing, but yeah, I think it's better off blank. And then we're gonna punch a hole and give it a tie. And I'm just grabbing random out of here, and it turned out to be gold one. I'm fine with that. I'm not gonna make a fuss over it. Clamp it. Ooh, don't want to unlock. Okay, there we go. It locked on me, which don't happen very often, so there we go. Now, look at your hands. Then this, I'm just gonna tie. That's hard to believe when your thermometer is, or your temperature is down in your room. That's why I turned off the heat in your room. There we go. All right. I don't know if that's how you do it, but that's how I'm going to do it. So you basically lift and can pounce it open like that. Has that. Then open up. Oh, I love that. It's definitely different than my norm. Maybe this is what people do. I don't know. I have no clue. So, there we go. Great way, again, to use them, like if you find wedding invitations or something at the thrift store. Perfect use for it. And again, it's just a fun little thing that you can stick inside your journal. I'm actually going to show you with a journal that I had worked on and loved it, and now I don't know what I'm doing with it and that type of thing. So what I do is stick it in here, or like stick it on a page, I should say, like this. And with this journal in particular, pages aren't big enough for that, which sometimes happens. But again, then you can just stick something as simple as this, but not this. Paperclip. Paperclip. You can paperclip it on easily to a journal like that. So it's a floating pocket basically, or flip it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night. And please like, subscribe. I also have an Etsy shop, which I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Let me see. Okay. Here is my Etsy shop. And I am currently selling journals and items on it. I will be doing an Etsy shop update actually soon. And I also would like to say, if you want to listen to my podcast it's called Let's Craft Today. So I will make sure I have links for all that. And again, have a great day or night. Bye.